So for this morning's fun stop, Dales and I drop our own verses. Well, Dales, she does that.
No.
In the open verse challenge,
Yes.
popularized on TikTok by recording artist Shaggy.
Yes.
What are the rules here now?
Here are the rules. We will first listen to Shaggy's verse, and then we will each have a chance to add our own lyrics to the beat. No, me and him are going to sing. Best of three win. Why? This
We're not going against each other.
No, we are singing together.
Remember, support each other. Remember today, support each other. We're not going against each other.
Sheffield said, singer, DJ, him don't tell me what we are doing.
Well, I'm the producer.
What is Shaggy? What is Shaggy's?
All right, let's.
Oh, and then look at me now. All right, all right. All right, come now. Come again.
You ready?
Come again.
You ready?
Ready, come again. Morning, hosted by me and my darling. Come now. Never like you next and join a line. And that's your line.
Am I line now?
Never go so.
Me never know say me and your darling, but me love it from morning.
TV, don't touch it. Never. Wait.
Cause we not done yet.
You remember what you said we have to do it for the top?
No.
Smile Jamaica this morning, hosted by me and my darling.
Never know say me and the darling, but me now gonna end up balling.
Hey, so the TV, don't touch it. We not done yet. You don't remember?
But me love it. I want them, them.
Could I want them? What want them? What could I get up and watch this morning? But Smile Jamaica, you know, Clarendon, Senton, Kingston,
and Spalding.
Hey! Spanish Town and Marvin, Southman and Sheffield.
Leave out Clive.
Not the rhyme with Sheffield.
You know, like dive.
Our producer, Jamila, gave me the challenge. She told me, "You're an idiot."
Yeah.
Yeah, Sheffield, that's true.
That's true. It's not right.
Sheffield, you're not come for the carpet today. We're going to get it. We don't know. We don't know.
I tell you, she have so much talent, you know.
I do that.
I can't even think of a word to say. And she got about 9 verses already.
This one's of it.
All right, come. Shaggy again.
Hey. Spiced upon the red carpet. Me like it.
And she almost...
Spiced upon the red carpet. Everybody talk about her outfit. Oh, she... Come on, never.
No, you know, me I dance, you see the move them when me I let off nice up there. That's some big move me I make.
Grabs in ice and gold. We're coming, I saw lyrics right to the Jamila. You have to go and get the girl. Grab it now. Spiced upon the red carpet. Everybody talk about her outfit.
Because it did nice.
Yes. Nice. Not like rice, quinoa.
But because she named Spice,
Yeah.
it must nice.
Hey, now if I say it twice. Spice nice.
How are you them? How are you them?
Hey.
How are you them?
What are they?
How are you them?
Understand themselves. That we say. Oh my gosh, never. Let's see we're going up there this week.
Well, we do more dancing than singing.
Yeah. On the red carpet, Sean Dutty Paul. Yeah. outfit never fall. Temperature, the man was hot.
And he was going into the hall.
Reggae some best. What up, buddy?
Yeah, it's all right. We're doing enough foolishness now, so we're going for a break. So come back. How are you doing?